We can easily connect Shopify to BuckyDrop in the following ways. First, in the BuckyDrop admin, go to Stores, Shopify, and click Connect Store. Then go to the Shopify App Store, and click Install to install the BuckyDrop app. Log in Shopify. Arrive at the Shopify admin, and click Install App to complete the installation. Click Authorize Now. Fill in your BuckyDrop account, and click Connect BuckyDrop with Shopify. We offer a free plan that allows you to fulfill 30 orders and fully enjoy BuckyDrop services and benefits. Select the free plan and click OK to activate your store. Congratulations! Your store has been successfully activated. Click Return to My Store, and you can see the store you've connected. After the trial period ends, you can choose to subscribe to the Pro plan to continue using BuckyDrop. Click OK. Arrive at Shopify's approved subscription page, confirm the subscription plan, and select a payment method. After confirming the bill, click Approve. Congratulations! Your store's subscription has been successfully completed.